video here that you guys are seeing, this particular video here that you guys are seeing has gotten 1,000 views. 1,000 views, nothing add, nothing minus, 1,000 video views. And a lot of questions have actually been popping to my table on Vibe with Sonia. How much is YouTube paying for 1,000 views this 2025? If I have 1,000 views as a content creator that is just starting up on YouTube, how much can I earn as someone creating content on YouTube? How much? 1,000 views. Because YouTubers have always been saying, oh, YouTube pays per 1,000 views, per 1,000 views. Yes, how much is YouTube paying for just 1,000 views via Bisonia? That is the video I am here to deliver today. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. With that being said, let's dive right into how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views this 2025. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and start my screen record so that you guys will see, and as usual or as always, I'll be attaching it either here or here. So right now my screen record is all started, and this is a video I did about how to sell book on Amazon. For those of you that have not started selling book, why? Go and sell book on Amazon. Okay, now if I click on this particular video, this video is 19 minutes 48 seconds video, and you can see here this video views is 1K views. So let's click on it. And once the analytics is loaded like this, you can see that this video has gotten 1,000 views since it was published, 1,007 views since it was published. And you can see the traffic, how viewers found this video, the traffic source here, which is recommended, YouTube search, channel page, subscription feed, and others. You can see the audience retention of this video. It is 3 minutes 15 seconds, and of which I'm very, very grateful for this. 16.5% high, which is the average viewer duration for lifetime. And you can see the key moments as well, which is audience retention key moments as well. And then you can see that the real time, which is in the last 48 hours, this video have 5 views, because I know that this video is actually an evergreen content, so it will keep having views every day, even if the views is not that much. Create evergreen content. Now let's go to the search of this particular video. For the reach, sorry, not the search, the reach of this video has actually gotten an impression of 21.7K. When I mean impression, I'll always explain it to you guys that this is just for people that have been able to see, for people that YouTube have been able to like show it on their interface, remove it, slide it here and there. People that like, people that comment, people that did not, people that disappeared from the video. This is the impression. That's what impression simply means. And you can see how viewers found this video. Browse features, YouTube search, YouTube channel page, YouTube, other YouTube features and others. You can see external sites and sites or app, which is the Google search, WhatsApp, and MSN.cn. I don't even know that. Anyways, you can see the YouTube search term for this video: Vibe with Sonia, Amazon KDP, book boats. This is to tell you guys that evergreen content, they will always search them and they will always bring money to our tables. And you can see content that's actually suggesting this particular content in $300, which is this my video. Second one, my video. Third one, it is not my video. Fourth one is my video, and fifth one is not my video. That's why it is good for you to create videos that is relating to what is actually bringing the coins to your table. I always keep repeating this. So if you see that a video is actually doing well, recreate those kind of videos. Then playlist featuring it, you can see my apps and website playlist is featuring this. And let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has given me a watch time of 53.9. And you can see the audience retention of this video, like we've checked before, which is 3 minutes 15 seconds. It's not bad. It's not bad. And you can see the likes versus dislike. Channel average is 98%, and how to sell book on Amazon 100%. Evergreen content. Now let's go to the words audience of this video. For the audience of this video has gotten returning viewers of 532, and that's so beautiful. I keep telling you guys, be praying. It's a prayer point for you to always pray that your viewers should return and see your videos. Oh Lord, wherever my viewers are, let them come back and see my videos. So returning viewers is very important. You can see the returning viewers is the purple sign you are seeing, while the new viewers is the blue sign you're seeing. It means people are returning to watch my videos, and 532 out of 1,000 is a whole lot for me. I love you guys. God bless you guys. You can see the device type that is actually watching my videos: mobile, computer, TV, and tablets. Who dey? Mobile, computer, TV, and tablets. They're actually watching my videos. I love you guys wherever you're watching from. And let's check out the age category. You can see age 18 to 24 and 25 to 34. These are people that basically want to make money selling books on Amazon, and I know that that is why all of this thing is relating to this age people. That's why I always tell people, if you want to film a video, what categories of age do you want them to watch? These are the age I want them to watch, because this age are people that need money. You understand? Now, gender, both male and female. Male is 23% and female is 76%. It's not bad. I love you guys. I love my female. My guys, I love you guys, but people should do more now. And then the top geographics, you can see Nigeria, United States, India. If I click more, we're going to be seeing more geographics that is actually watching. But I'm happy that United States, Nigeria, their CPM is sweet, and I love you guys. And then you can see the top subtitles and watch time from subscribers as well. So now let's go to the revenue of this particular video. For the revenue of this beautiful, amazing video, this video has made $3.70. This is how much YouTube pay for 1K video view 2025 updates, latest update. Remember the last time I did how much YouTube paid me for 1,000? It was like $4. I did another one that was last year. It was like $3 and some cents as well. But this one now, it is $3.70. It doesn't mean that you can get more than this $3. It doesn't mean you can get less. So depending on the kind of videos you are bringing, depending on the audience retention, how people are engaging on that video, there are a lot of factors that YouTube consider before they give you your revenue, you understand? And this my factor, I think, is a very good factor, okay? For me to have just 1K view and I'm having $3.70. Why there are some persons that are having 1K view, they're having just $1 or $2. It's not even up to $3. So $3.70. I'm really, really grateful for this. This is like over 7,000 naira, Abby. Over 7,000 naira. Anyways, how you make your money. You can see watch paid ads and then YouTube Premium. You can see video performance. For every 1K view, I get to make $3.66, and I'm grateful for this. God bless you guys. How much advertisers are paying? Advertisers found this video so appealing. They found this video so interesting. They found this video so loved, and they are willing to pay $7.13 for every 1K view that I have on my video. You know, when advertisers pay $7.13, YouTube will now remove their own part and then give me how much I will make per 1K view. That's why you're saying that how much I'm making per 1K view is $3.66, and how much advertisers are really paying per 1K view is $7. So me and YouTube automatically don't split the money. It's like my own say pass YouTube home, because I think YouTube has like 40% and I have 60%. I love you, YouTube. And you can see earnings by skippable, display, bomber, and non-skippable, unknown. Okay, so that is how much I'm able to make for 1,000 video view on YouTube, $3.70. And if I go to the overview like this, let's check how many subscribers this video has given us. This video has given us 9 subscribers. That's to say there is no video that you put out on YouTube that YouTube is not recommending that video to 1 or 2 persons. YouTube must recommend your video. Anyways, let's talk. So if you are struggling for how much is YouTube paying, is YouTube even paying? Are they paying very small? Are they paying T-pence? Like I said, there are some content you will create on YouTube. Me personally, some of my content are making over $4, $6, $5 on YouTube for 1,000 views. But this particular one is making $3.70. It doesn't mean that he can make more. At some point, there's how some videos are that probably this video picked up in the future. This video revenue will also go higher. You understand? So that is just YouTube thing for you. So if you are a YouTuber, you're looking forward to create content on YouTube, you're looking forward to monetize on YouTube, just know that YouTube can pay you within the range of $3, $4, $5, and even up to $6 for just your 1K view. Just also know that YouTube can also pay you less than $3, $2, and even $1 per 1K view, depending on the kind of content you are bringing. Like I said, there are different factors that is leading to how much YouTube is going to pay you on YouTube as a YouTuber. So let me know in the comments section, do you have a YouTube channel yet that is monetized? How much are you making per 1K view? Have you ever made 3K view in 1,000 view of your video? I really want to know, because I'm interested in that your revenue. So let me know in the comment section. Let me know as well if you are not monetized yet, you're looking forward to get monetized. Let me know as well if you have uploaded video today, because the main goal is to upload videos. If you do not upload videos, at the end of the day, you are not going to get what you want, and you're still going to be suffering on YouTube. And if you don't want to suffer on YouTube, then you need to get everything you need to get together and make sure that you create content on YouTube so that you can make money on YouTube. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel and you be like, how do I even start? Where do I even start from? I am confused. I am frustrated. I don't even know how to start. I have not even opened a channel at all. This is why Vibratonia is always here for you. With these flyers displaying on the screen, you can see that I have my coaching and review classes where I personally go into your YouTube channel. Me and you personally go into your YouTube channel. You are not going with another person. We're not going with crowd. We are doing this together, where we can be able to see what is working, what is not working, what we can minus, what we can actually add for your channel to actually be successful on YouTube. So all you need to do is to check these flyers that are displaying on the screen. I coach for 1 day, I coach for 1 week, I coach for 2 weeks, I coach for even 30 days for fresh starters, and I'll be able to start your channel, grow your channel for you from beginning of your channel, which is from the 0 level. You can check the same flyers. There is an email attached to it. I also have my email attached in my bio where I put all my links. You can also click on my bio to check faithonoja3195@gmail.com, and trust me, you are not going to regret it. So like I said, even if you have not created, we can create for you. That is our job. Our job here is to create. We've done that before for several persons, and yours will actually not be a new thing to us. Okay. So check out this flyers, like I said, and send us a mail and thank me later. Or also check out the description. I make sure that there are mails everywhere for you so that it will be very easy for you to access, because I have a lot of people telling me, oh, I can't access the mail. Now you can access it. It's in the bio, it's in the description, and it's also on the flyer that is displaying on the screen. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like let's say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.